Hello, and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. Today, I am very, very happy to announce that we are upgrading our lighting setup. This is the very first upgrade to our little YouTube channel. And more than anything, it is at the request of one of our viewers. She shared our very same thoughts exactly. That ring light that we use overhead, it's quite unbearable at times with the glare. And even though the channel is not making any money yet, I just thought that perhaps the very best thing to do would be to perhaps upgrade our lighting setup, and this is the Mountdog softbox lighting kit. I got this for $50 on Amazon, and it just came in the mail yesterday, but I was out of town, so I was not able to receive it personally and open it myself. But let's go ahead and get into it. And again, just by opening the box immediately, I have my little camera thing set up as high as it will go, so I immediately already identified one other bottleneck that we're having with our system here, that I need a better tripod, or a tripod to begin with, or something that is much higher so that I can have more room, because this is a huge box, and I need to be able to have higher up camera. Let's see, what do we have here? Seems like pretty generic instructions. This is what they should look like. Features, blah, 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 blah. Now, I'm not very tech savvy and when it comes to photography. So I'm not sure if there's a difference between lighting that is used for photography and lighting that is used for video. But yeah, we're gonna find out. So I'm gonna guess that they come very nicely packed. This is one of the light bulbs that came inside a box with styrofoam, and that is a big light bulb. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this aside. Okay, that's a big boy. This thing is huge. Holy crap. Okay. Here's an iPhone 11 in comparison. This thing is huge. Like, holy crap. And I believe it is a standard, it's a standard light bulb socket, but oh my God, this thing is huge. 5500K, temperature 95 watts. Okay, we're gonna put this aside. I'm very, very afraid of breaking it now. We're gonna put this aside. We're gonna see what else is in the box, and then we're gonna put all the contents together. I am going to assume this is another one of those light bulbs. Yes, it is. We're gonna go ahead and leave it in there since we've already unboxed one of those. And we're gonna put that aside. And let's go ahead and keep going. Well, back here and further in the box, I believe this should be like the leg, or like part of the stand. Yep. Okay, here's the actual like tripod looking thing. Okay. Side again. See, as I was saying, guys, that I've already identified another bottleneck. Okay, so what do you do? Okay, so I'm gonna guess you open this up like that. Okay. Here. Well. Oh, I guess like that. Oh, like that. Let me do this. Then I guess they're supposed to be like that. Okay. Well, I don't really know. Oh, I guess there's a little knob for you to tighten it up. So you adjust this little knob, and I guess that the legs stop moving. Okay. So yes, you adjust that knob and the legs will stop moving. But okay, we're gonna put this aside for right now. I believe here would, oh wow, we have a lot of things to adjust this with. Okay, well, this comes out, and does this come out too? What does this do? This comes out too. Wow. Okay, this comes out too. And then I'm gonna guess, wow, this thing is long. Holy crap. Look. That's what she said. Okay, this thing is tall. I'm not sure if it's supposed to extend that much, but it's taller than me, and I'm like 5'8.5" on a good day. 5'9" if I have my boots on. Yeah, I know I'm short. But yeah, this thing is short. I'm gonna try to, I should have started with this a while ago. I should have had this up and running, and I'm sorry. There you go. So you guys can get an idea of just, this thing is huge. Like, this thing is flipping tall. Of course, it's adjustable, but it's huge and it's soft. Okay, we're gonna put that aside. You guys are a little crooked. Let's go ahead and continue. Okay. Now, I'm going to guess that this over here is another one of those stands. So I'm gonna put that aside for right now. And finally, all the way at the bottom, no idea what this is. It's like some sort of like bag for you to carry stuff around in, for you to carry the stands in. Yeah, I'm gonna guess that this is a bag for you to put the stands in. And then these are the actual umbrella things, or the actual diffuser. So I'm just gonna take one of them out. I'm gonna put the rest of this thing aside. Let's go ahead and look at this. Here we go. I'm not sure what that is. I'm gonna put that aside. Here's the actual umbrella looking thing. Okay, so it totally looks like an umbrella. I'm gonna try to, I want to break it already. I don't even using it, but I guess this is what it looks like. I'm not sure how you hold these open quite just yet. Oh, okay. So these are really flimsy, I guess, like that. And then as soon as you push this ring thing that I'm holding in the middle towards the back, you just push it in like all the way in the back, and then it stays up like that. There we go. That's more like it. So let's go ahead and there's these little knobs here at the back. I don't know how well you guys can see that. And I guess these are what attaches to the thing. Okay, so let's tighten this. Well, let's turn this up a little bit. I want to slide it on every which way. Okay, that's not super secure, that's okay. I'm gonna guess it goes like this. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, wait, does it go like, how does it go? It has to go like that. Wait, or like this? Does it go like this? Oh, it goes like this. Okay, so it goes like that. Hold on. So, I am very poorly at this. Okay. Oh, okay, so you gotta stand it up a little bit. And then you withdraw this. Then, oh. Wait, is it doing something? Does it go any further? I'm not sure. How well this sit there. I'm not sure how tight that is. Okay, well, I don't want to tighten anything and break it, so I'm gonna see if there's any. I want to see instructions, because I'm afraid that if I go ahead and I tighten it up, that I'm just gonna break it. You know, like over torque something. But that's literally all I see that you can do. I'm pretty sure I have these wrong. I'm almost 100% certain I have these wrong. Because I don't think they go sideways. I really doubt that they go sideways. And yeah, that's what I was afraid of. I think I'm stuffing them up. But it doesn't go sideways. Why would it go sideways? Wait, is that supposed to come off? Does that go off? I don't know, guys. Oh, I think that. I think it does come on. Okay, so. So I think that is supposed to come off. And tighten it like that. Then I believe you should be able to loosen this up and move this around. I believe you guys are a little bit high. But okay, I guess so. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's gonna be bad. Let's tighten it up like that. Raise you up a bit more. Okay, I don't want to over tighten them. Break it. Okay, looks like I need to open this up a little bit more. How do you find this like that? Man, I feel like an old person. And you guys went sideways. That's okay. See, we're solving stuff. We are realizing where we need work, where we're realizing where we're doing poorly, and we're realizing where we need to make improvements. Okay, this overhead camera is almost irrelevant at this point. Let's go ahead and keep it. We'll keep it shooting for right now. Let's go ahead and get one of our light bulbs put in there. One of these light bulbs. Looks so flippin' big. Actually, we're gonna plug it in before we attach our light bulbs in there. And now, okay, it is an on. Switch to the off position. Let's go ahead and now screw in our huge light bulb. Oh my God, this thing's huge. What am I doing wrong? So say this sent me the wrong like socket size. That would have been really, really shitty. Okay, for the moment of truth, let's hope they work. Oh my. Okay, there we go. Hopefully this gets a little bit brighter. I mean, we do have like bright sunlight right ahead of us. But yeah, that's basically gonna be our lighting setup. And I believe that this over here is our little diffuser thing to get rid of all that pesky glare that some of our viewers have been griping about this whole time. Go ahead and put that on. Oh, that's nice. This is very nice. Stretch it down over the bottom. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I feel pro already. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Just for that, I'm gonna put the other one together as well. I mean, it's the same thing, but you guys are more than welcome to stay and watch it. It is literally the exact same process. But hopefully I will not be struggling as much this time, because now we know how to put it together. And I'm terrible at putting stuff away because I have just a mess of things around me. But now we know. This thing gets pushed in all the way back. Wait, again. All the way back, there we go. How do you eject it? Oh, you just pull it. Oh, nice. So they're pretty easy to take apart then, I guess, so far. Okay, let's go ahead and decide. Let's grab our other light bulb. I'm gonna try to put all this packaging away because it's a very, very nice way to transport it, especially the light bulbs being so big and so easy to break. Sorry about that, we were literally in the middle of putting this together. So, should probably put the tripod together first before I put the umbrella looking thing together. Didn't seem that bad though. A lot of mud. Oop. Nobody saw that. Okay. Like that. Anyway, I got a little distracted for a second there. Yes, we were doing this. We're about to put this thing together. Yep. Just loosen this up a little. Whoop. Got a little too loose there. Okay. Now we should be able to move around. Okay, cool. That. Again, if I remember correctly, this thing should go like that. Okay. Yeah, just like that. Let's tighten this thing up. Okay. And then let's point this down. Come on down a bit. Just a bit down. And we'll tighten that up a bit so it doesn't move around on us. Let's nice and tight. Then we are going to plug this in. Set that to the off position. We'll plug that in. Our socket. Okay. And let's power it on. And it's on. Awesome. Where's the little diffuser thing? It's messed up. But it goes with the uniform. So now let's apply a little diffuser again. So no more glare, guys. We're not gonna have any more glare on the cameras. We have nice, bright light. See? Soft light. No glare. Very, very soft light. Okay. Okay. Diffuser. And yep. Nope. Well, there we go. There's our little lighting setup. So, thank you for watching this today's episode of Unboxing with Paul. Thank you for watching. We look forward to upgrading other parts of our little YouTube channel. Again, the very first thing that we just needed to get right away. No ifs, ands, or buts, no compromises, no other questions about it. We needed to get lights. Again, the glare, it was something that bothered me so much that I definitely thought about delaying the launch of the channel until I was able to get better lights, better cameras, but I thought to myself, if I'm waiting for perfect time to come around, if I'm waiting until I have everything I need, if I'm waiting until I have the microphone, the interface, the laptop, the lights, the better cameras, the goosenecks, the tripods, the sound isolation, the software, the experience, all that stuff, the help, the mentoring, I'm never gonna do it. So might as well start now and let's learn along the way. Let's learn as we go. Again, thanks for watching.